He's a bad beast on that barbecue, on the grill or the smoker. He knows just what to do. He's a bad beast on that barbecue.
Hey, what's going on, guys? Hey, welcome back to another episode of Bad Beast Barbecue. Hey, today we're going to be making some shrimp bisque, okay? Just like the lobster bisque, only we're going to be using shrimp. And we're going to be doing it in a pressure cooker. Now, you guys have already seen us cooking our Instant Pot, but we got a new pressure cooker from the people at Cosori. They sent us this to try out. So we cooked in it once before. I like some of the gadgetry is on it and some of the differences between it and the Instant Pot. This is an 8-quart versus the 6-quart Instant Pot that we have. So I'll let you know exactly what I think about this after a couple of more cooks. But let's go ahead and get this bad boy started, okay? Okay, guys, so there's a few ingredients that go in here, and I'll put the list up on the screen right now so you can check it out. We actually doubled this recipe, so we have a pound and 2.5 pounds of shrimp that's been deveined, peeled, and we kept the shells. We have 1/2 cup of chopped carrots, 1/2 cup of chopped onions, 1/2 cup of chopped celery. We have 2 tablespoons of paprika, and we have 2 cups of a dry white wine, and then we have 2 cups of heavy cream, okay? So let's go ahead and get this started. All right, guys, so you see we got our 2.5 pounds of peeled and deveined shrimp here. Now, these shrimp have also been cut in half lengthwise, okay? Just to give you more shrimp, pieces of shrimp around your lobster bisque. Now, the original recipe called for salt and pepper, but you know we don't do anything with just plain salt and pepper. So we're going to use our Creole seasoning to season up our shrimp. All right, so give these a good coating. So we got those seasoned. We're going to go ahead and put those in the refrigerator until they're needed. All right, so now we're going to go ahead and make our bisque, or the liquid portion of our soup, okay? So here we have the shells from our 2.5 pounds of shrimp. Okay, goes in there. We got 4 cups of water. All right. We also have 2 cups of the dry white wine. This is the, how you pronounce it, Sauvignon Blanc, okay? And then we're gonna put in our chopped carrots, our chopped onions, our chopped celery, and we're gonna hit this up with a little Cajun seasoning also, all right? All right, cool. All right, so we got everything in here. We're gonna close our Cosori, and we're gonna make sure I got the lid locked, okay? And we're gonna seal it back here, and we are going to cook this for 10 minutes under pressure and do a quick release once it's complete. So hey, hang around, don't go nowhere. All right, guys, so we're done with the 10 minutes under pressure. We're gonna go ahead and release our it says quick release, so we're gonna quick release this. And, whew, where did I put it? Oh, there it is. Smells good already. I got my strainer, so we're gonna go ahead and strain out all of our solids, okay? So, hang on. All right, guys, so our steam is done, so let's go ahead and turn our lid. I'm still trying to get used to this this pressure cooker and the way it works. It's got a twisting lid, so there we go. Smells good. So that was steaming this with the shells and everything was to get the flavor. Let me see if I can get this out of here without burning myself. All right. And now we're gonna go ahead and pour this, strain this. I know you guys are like, what in the hell is he doing? But I want to put my hands in this here so I won't burn myself. All right, so we're gonna strain this out. So we can get all that liquid without having all these pieces in it. That should be it, huh, there? Mm-hmm. Oh, got a little shell in there. Sorry. All right, go ahead and pull it out. Okay, put that in here. All right, he had a little shell in there. All right, we're gonna go ahead and get that one little shell out. I'm gonna discard this stuff here. We'll get it back in the pot right quick into the pressure cooker and we'll press on, so don't go nowhere. All right, guys, so we got our inner lining back in our pressure cooker, and here's all this golden goodness that we got from our pressure on the shrimp shells. We're gonna put this back in the pressure cooker. And we got our pressure cooker set on saute. So we're gonna bring it up to a heat and a simmer, okay? So what we have to do now, we have to put in our paprika. So we got, I believe this is 2 tablespoons of paprika. So we're gonna whisk that in here, okay? And we got 2 cups of heavy cream. Let's put that in there. And we're gonna let that come up to a simmer, okay? All right, guys, so now that we got our cream and our paprika and our bisque at a rolling boil, we have some cornstarch here. It's a half a cup of cornstarch to, I think it's 2 tablespoons. Half a cup of water to 2 tablespoons of cornstarch according to the recipe. So we're gonna pour this into the boiling mixture and let it go, let it thicken up. Also, we're gonna add our 2 tablespoons of butter. Okay. And we're gonna whisk this, and we're gonna let it cook for 2 minutes until it thickens up, and then we're gonna go ahead and add our shrimp. All right, guys. So now that we got everything incorporated, the last thing we're gonna put in is our shrimp, and we still have the pot on a high saute, and we're gonna let these cook. And these shrimp are cold, so it's gonna bring the temperature down. So we're gonna let these cook for about 3 minutes, and then it should be ready to taste. So hey, hang around, don't go nowhere. All right, guys, so we've been letting this simmer now for probably about 15 minutes. I wanted to keep slowly simmering so it can keep thickening up, but I'm gonna go ahead and do the taste test on it now. So it's nice and creamy, and we're gonna go ahead and get a little bit. All right, in my bowl. All right. All right, so we got our spoon. Now, it's not as thick as I would like, and we put some more cornstarch in it, but I'm gonna keep letting this simmer, and the more it simmers, the thicker it should get. So let's go ahead and taste this. Oh, now that tastes real good. It needs a little bit more salt, so I think I'll put a little bit more Zatarain's Creole in it. I think I'll hit it with some more cracked black pepper, and it should be right on time. It's a great shrimp bisque. Reminds me of a lobster bisque. It just needs to be a little bit thicker, that's all. We have some dill that we're gonna sprinkle in it once it's all done, and then it should be perfect. Yep, I think this came out real good. So I think next video I'll wait to give you my opinion on the Cosori compared to the Instapot. There's a few differences there that I noticed, but I do like this so far. I think it's a good product, but I'll have to give you my differences between both pressure cookers, okay? But that's all, trying to get around this steam. That's all we have time for today. Hey, if you're interested in the pressure cooker, hey, check out the Instapot on Amazon or check out the Cosori. I'll go ahead and put the links to both of them down in the description block. Hey, and as always, where there's smoke, there's fire. If it's fire, then damn it, there just might be a barbecue there. Hey, we'll see you guys around the smoker.